Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I have a very short little bookstore haul. So I went to the bookstore, picked up a few things, so this is what I got. So the very first thing I got was this cosplay magazine that just shows a whole bunch of different cosplayers, pictures of cosplayers, some helpful tips about cosplay, just really cool in my opinion. Look forward to this one. And then you're going to start to sense a theme, and I'm sorry. But the next thing I got then was this, The Wonderful World of Disney, just a Disney magazine that I will look through and read about. It seems like it's just about all of the animations that came from Disney and just maybe some information, which will be really cool. So I'm excited about that one. I'm excited about all of them, obviously. That's why I bought them. The book I bought a book. This one is a book. This is a Walt Disney World Fun Finds and Hidden Mickeys. So I guess just a book about interesting things that are hidden in Disney World, along with all of the hidden Mickeys, which will be really cool. So really excited to read this. Again, I don't know why I said that. Obviously, I'm excited to read them all. I bought them. The last thing then is Mickey Mouse at 90 magazine, and this I had already looked through a little bit and looked at the pictures, and this is basically just like history of the mouse, and it's really cool. So that was my short little book haul, and I'm super excited to get to all of these actually. So maybe I should go start doing that now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!